Today, I'll walk you through how to use ClickUp as a personal productivity system, not just for work or team projects, but for managing your entire life in one place. We're talking daily tasks, goals, habits, shopping lists, travel plans, health routines, all organized inside a single powerful app. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into ClickUp. Open the app, sign in with your account, and take a moment to orient yourself. On the left, you'll see the sidebar. This is your navigation hub where all your spaces, folders, and lists live. The main area in the center is your dashboard. If this is your first time using ClickUp for personal organization, don't worry about anything already there. You're about to build something clean and intentional from scratch. Once you're in, it's time to create a dedicated personal space. In the sidebar, click the plus icon or the button that says New Space. Give it a name that feels right to you, something like Personal, My Life, or even your own name. You can also pick an icon and a color to make it visually distinct from any workspaces you might already have. Then hit Create Space. This matters because keeping your personal life in its own space means it never bleeds into your professional projects. Everything stays clean and separate, and you always know exactly where to look. Now, inside your new personal space, you're going to create lists for the different areas of your life. Think of lists as categories. Each one holds all the tasks related to a specific topic. Click New List and start building them out. Good starting points are a personal tasks list for everyday to-dos, a goals list for the bigger things you're working toward, a shopping list for errands, a health and fitness list to track workouts or habits, and a travel plans list for upcoming trips. Save each one as you go. Don't overthink the names. You can always rename them later. What matters is that every area of your life now has a dedicated home inside ClickUp. And that's it. You've just set up ClickUp as your personal productivity hub, with a dedicated space and organized lists ready to hold every part of your life. From here, you can start adding tasks, setting due dates, and building a system that actually works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.